friends, myself Sandeep. Today I will teach you subject English reader. After term first, we will start from lesson 4th, the water cycle. Now start reading. The water cycle. When I was young, I used to think that water comes from the kitchen sink. When I was young, I used to think that water came from the kitchen sink. जब मैं यंग था तो मैं हमेशा यही सोचता था कि जो वाटर है वो किचन सिंक से आ रहा है. बट नाउ आई एम ओल्डर. बट अभी मैं ओल्डर हो गया हूँ, ओल्ड एज हूँ. एंड आई नाउ नो दैट वाटर कम्स फ्रॉम रेन एंड स्नो. जो वाटर है वो बारिश और स्नो की तरफ से आ रहा है. इट स्टे देयर waiting in the sky in clouds above our world so high, and when it falls it flow along and splashes out a watery song. splashes means क्या होता है? जब कोई वाटर फॉल करता है, नॉइजली फॉल करता है सरफेस पे. falls noisily on a surface as each raindrop is joined by more and rushes to the ocean shore. Or to lake, a brook, a stream. Or to lake, a brook, a स्टीम क्या होती है? एक हॉट गैस होती है. जब वाटर को बॉयल करते हैं तो इस गैस में चेंज हो जाता है, स्टीम में चेंज हो जाता है जब इसको बॉयल करते हैं. बट वाइल इट इज़ डाउन हेयर, वट डू यू थिंक? बट वाइल इट इज़ डाउन हेयर, जब ये डाउन आता है यहाँ पे, वट डू यू थिंक, तो आप क्या सोचती हो? सम डज गो टू द किचन सिंक. नाउ स्टार्ट राइटिंग बुक वर्क. स्टार्ट नोटबुक वर्क. Dictation word first, water, W-A-T-E-R, water. Second one is sink, S-I-N-K, sink. Third is snow, S-N-O-W, snow. Fourth one is splashes. Fourth one is splashes, S-P-L-E-S-H-E-S, splashes. Fifth is brook, B-R-O-O-K, brook. Sixth is stream. Sixth one is stream, S-T-E-A-M, steam. Seventh is kitchen, K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen. Eighth is flows, F-L-O-W-S, flows. Now start word meaning. Now write word meaning. First is brook. Brook means a small river. Brook किसको बोलते हैं? एक small river को. Second is shore. Shore क्या होता है? Ocean, O-C-A-N, ocean, O-C-E-A-N, ocean. Third is splashes. Splashes means falls noisily on surface. Falls noisily on a surface. Fourth is snow. Small soft piece of frozen of water. Small soft piece of frozen of water. Now write question answers. Question first. What did the poet think when he was young? What did the poet think when she was young? When the poet was young, she thought that the water come from the kitchen sink. When the poet was young, she thought that the water come from the kitchen sink. Question second, where does water stay? According to the poet. Poet के according वाटर कहाँ पे स्टे करता है? अकॉर्डिंग टू द पोएट, द वाटर स्टे इन द स्काई. द वाटर स्टे इन द स्काई. Third is, what do you understand by a watery song? Here, a watery song means the sound produced by the raindrops falling from the sky. Here, a watery song means the sound produced by the raindrops falling from the sky. Falling from the sky. Question 4. Where do the raindrops rush to? The raindrops rush to the ocean, shore, lake, brook and streams. Question 5th. Question 5th we will not do on the notebook. Next, question 6. Do you think that the title of the poem, The Water Cycle, is suitable? Why not? Can you think of any other title for the poem? Answer is yes. The title of the poem, The Water Cycle, is suitable because the poem throws light on the water cycle in our nature in easy to understand manner. Now lesson is over. Thank you. Have a nice day.